What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. Visions with 2 Z's. A couple of days ago, DJI updated the DJI Fly App to version 1.2.4. This update doesn't really add any real features, but it's said to fix certain issues and improve overall app stability and user experience. So I had to wonder, will it fix the compass issues or not? So let's go find out. So of course, had to go and do the little calibration, the compass calibration, do the little whirly whirl and spinny spin and all that good stuff. So we got it up in the air, and I was glad to see that it was still rock solid and stable. It was pretty windy out that day. The gusts were up around 28 miles per hour, continuous around 16 miles an hour. And I was glad to see that it was flying stable. I ran into some issues about a week or so ago that I'm not gonna really get into right now. I'm just gonna save that to another video. So took it up just to make sure, because I was really trying to test its stability. So as you can see, if you look at the arrow, that it's actually pointing in the right direction. I was actually to the side of the Mini, and I was pointing in the same direction as the Mini was pointing. So from that, it looked like it was working well. And I was like, sweet. So it looks like they might have actually taken care of it. I was a little nervous. Like I said, I ran into some issues about a week or so ago. So I was kind of nervous to really take it out too far. Sport mode to try to make it a little bit more stable, because it looked like I was fighting the wind, but I mean, it was still holding pretty well. And I think I was just more so gun shy, so I brought it back down. And not to mention, you know, this Georgia boy, it was cold out there. I mean, we're not used to this kind of cold, so it was windy and it was cold, so I wasn't going to be out here very long. So here I'm going to spin it around and actually point it directly to me, so you can actually see where I'm actually pointing the remote. So there I am, looking suave and debonair. Not really. So as you can see, the arrow is pointing at the Mini, and the Mini is pointing this way. So I spin around, and you can see that the dot spins around the right location. So I'm like, okay, cool. It looks like they took care of it. Good job, DJI. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I got a couple more videos coming. Like I said earlier, I ran into a little issue. The Mini looked like it was sick, but I think hopefully we took care of it. So thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.